So I'm Tammy. I'm out here in St. Mary's, Georgia for camping. And I'm gonna make this drink called the Blushing Lady. Well, I don't have all my regular glasses, right? So I'm gonna use this plastic tumbler glass here instead of a martini glass, but it really doesn't matter because the drink's gonna taste the same and it's gonna be delicious, right? Normally you'd put this drink in a martini glass, but we're camping, so it really doesn't matter. So to do this drink, you're going to use 2 shots of vodka. I like deep Eddy vodka. I think I've said it once or twice before. So that's what I'm using today. And then you're going to use 1 shot of this liqueur called Palma, and it's a pomegranate liqueur. The last ingredient is going to be grapefruit juice. Like I said, we're camping, so I'm using pre-made grapefruit juice. This is just simply grapefruit, so there's no sugar or anything added to it. Just 1 shot of that. Then we're going to shake it up. Get it nice and cold in the shaker. Like I said earlier, normally I would put this in a martini glass, so I would strain it. But because I'm not going to put it in a martini glass, I'm going to go ahead and put the ice into this glass. That is cold. Alright. And then as you can see, I've got a little lemon wheel and some fresh mint to garnish it with. So it looks pretty. Alright, let's give this a try. That is so good. This is really delicious. I think that, Luigi, you should really try this since you really like vodka drinks. This is a super good drink. This is really good. It's not real sweet. It's got a really nice tart taste to it. It's refreshing. It's really delicious. Because the vodka and the Palma are both alcohol, there's only a little bit of juice in it. It will kick your butt pretty quick. So it doesn't taste like alcohol. It's kind of like one of those drinks that are going to sneak up on you. So just keep that in mind as you're drinking these, that is pretty strong. You just won't know it. Anyway, thanks for watching another one of my videos. I appreciate it, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button.